Allergies. On the bright side, I'm eating mashed potatoes. I don't really have anything interesting to say. Nothing about the state of the world, or the state of the James, or the state of Virginia. I was just making a video because it occurred to me I haven't made one in a while. And it's also a Thursday, so that was convenient. Apparently the world spins around whether or not I make a video on Thursday, or any day, which is pretty amazing. I mean, the world spinning around. If that's not amazing, then you haven't thought about it for long enough. You just need to think about it more. Well, after sitting here in front of the camera for an extended period of time, that's the most interesting thing I can think of. Think about it. Please do.